Did you suggest to her that it would have been a sensible thing to take the vehicle for a test drive?
I did ask her, did she want a test drive, and she said, no, it's good enough.
How did you get back, by the way?
Michelle actually dropped us into Cambridge town centre.
In that car?
No, in her old car.
When you got back, did you turn the car that you had purchased on?
It was dead.
That stage, sure, it was dead. So you called the AA and you discovered that there was a problem with the battery, right? And in addition to that, you've taken it, as I understand it, to a professional.
Yes.
And they have assessed the problems with the vehicle, correct? And
Yes.
you provided me with evidence of the problems in respect of that
Yes.
vehicle. And I'm satisfied that's what the problems are. This was described to you as not just in a bad condition, but what, in fact, did they say to you, please, Michelle?
Their exact words were, we are not touching this and you're not going to drive it. It
Because?
is so dangerous.
No, don't make that.
I do apologise, but that's acceptable. But how I take it myself, Judge, is that I saw an MOT cert of her previous car, which showed she had no respect for a vehicle.
Tell me about this one.
I gave this car to her in perfect condition. I was driving it from every day since the day I bought it to the day I dropped it to her.
Here's the critical thing about the invoice and the critical thing about these pictures. There's various comments that made, but the one important line is this. Car is unsafe and should not be driven. Well, how do you feel when you hear that?
It shocks me, to be honest, because when I was driving it, it was perfect.